Okay, solution. A. We want to find the order of reaction with respect to each of the reactants. Now the first thing that you have to do here is to write out the rate. The rate here will be K into S2O8. And then we have I into Y. So this is what we have here as the order of reaction. So that question, what that question is simply asking us to calculate is to solve for the order in respect to this. That is, we are looking for X, and then also we solve for Y. Now when you pick the first one, I want to solve for X. Now for this, all you just need to do is, in respect to S2O8 minus 2, just go to your table, look for where Y, since you are looking for S, look for where Y can eliminate each other. Now if you look at this here, just look at where you have the same value for your Y. Now, this is my Y, this is column for my Y. I have the same value for Y in the first and second data given. So that means I'm using this and this. So from there, all you will be having your initial rate, which is, I have my rate now to give 2.9 times 10 to the power minus 5 over 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 5. Then giving me 0.072 over 0.036. That is for X. And then for Y, I have 0.60 over 0.60. That is my Y. So this will cancel out. Then I'll be left with this. Then when you solve this and this, divide it by this, we have 2, giving us this one by this 2 into S. Then this will cancel this. Then you have our X to be 1. So that means the reaction, the rate of reaction is first order in respect to this. Then in respect to the concentration of I, then what we have to do is come back to your table, look for where you have the same value for S. Remember, this is the column for your S. This is S, this is Y. So since now we solve for S, now we want to solve for Y. Look for where you have the same value for S, and that is data 1 and data 3. So here, just as I solve here, we are having rate giving us we are using 3 and 1, giving us 2.9 times 10 to the power minus 5 over 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 5. And then, which is our X now, 0.36 over 0.036. Our S, and then our Y is 0.120 over 0.06. This is our Y. So this will cancel out, and then we'll be having 2.9 times 10 to the power minus 5 over 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 5. which is equal to 0.120 over 0.60, everything into 1. Then to divide this through, we are having 2, and then here we are having 2y. Then this we cancel it, then our y will be 8. So that means that it is still first order in respect to this. And then you can be asked the answer to this question. If you want to calculate the overall order now, the overall order is going to be 2. Overall order will give you x plus y, which is the same thing as 1 plus 1. That will give you 2. That is if you are asked to calculate the overall order. But if it is based on this, the one we'll be having will just be that our rate will give us this into S2O8 minus 2, 1. Then we don't need to write it. And then this one is 1. That is what we have there. Then the second one, it says the rate constant, K. So if you want to calculate the rate constant, just pick any of these. So here we have initial, that will give us for B. We have it to be our rate constant, that is K. It give us initial rate over the concentration of the reactant. So in that case, if I pick and use it, if I want to use the first one here, then I will be having 1.5 times 10 to the power minus 5 over 0.036 and 0.060. So to solve this, I think your answer will be 6.94 times 10 to the power minus 5. That is what you have here. And then the last one, which is C. So for C, the reaction rate, when each reactant concentration is 0.20, we want to calculate the reaction rate. Remember that we are looking for rate, but already we know our K to be this. And we're told that the concentration of each of the reactants is 0.20. So what we just write is our rate equals 6.94 times 10 to the power minus 5. Then into since it is the each of the reactant, that means for this one is 0.20, this one is also 0.20. So instead of writing it right, I'll just put the square root. So I mean just square it. Then if you multiply that one out, then your final answer will be 2.8 times 10 to the power minus 4, then mole per liter per second. Mole per liter per second. So that's where we are going to stop for today. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.